Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, Soleh Soleha in stage 4. Ustazah send this video for explain it about what our exercise for today. Okay, like our material for the last meeting, Soleh Soleha, about that's our topic about what is an identification key, and we have done to learn about how to identification of some animal. Yeah, we have done to learn about identification animal, and we have done to learn about the invertebrates. Invertebrates are like that's animal A, animal B, and then C, animal D, E, F, and G. And then for today, we continue to the vertebrates on a page 71. Yeah, Soleh Soleha, you can open it your book for the material, yeah, to classify on a page 71. Is yeah for the vertebrates, some of the class of the vertebrates, ya some of the class of the vertebrates. Jadi vertebrata itu terdiri dari beberapa kelas, ya terdiri dari beberapa kelas vertebrates. Nah, and then in every class has a characteristic. I give this one, yeah, this fish, this fish, yeah, fish has a characteristic like cover with scales, their body covered by scale and reproduced by laying eggs without shell. Yeah, this characteristic of fish, ya, ditutupi oleh sisik and then bereproduksi uh, bertelur without shells, tanpa cangkang, and reptiles. This is the second class, ya. Reptiles have the characteristic cover with hard and dry skulls and are reproduced by laying eggs with shells. It's different with a fish. Another class is amphibians. Amphibians, this characteristic cover the moist skin and reproduce by laying eggs without shells. Yeah, these amphibians. And birds, these birds are covered with feathers, bulu, yeah, their body of this example of the animal like birds, and are reproduced by laying eggs with shells. Yes, and the mammals. This the last class is mammals. The characteristic cover with hair or fur and are reproduced by giving birth to live young, which feed on a mother's milk. Yes, yeah, punya kelenjar susu. So these 5 class of vertebrates, soleh-solehaya, fish, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mammals. This has a specific characteristic. Yeah, specific characteristic. And I continue about this example, some example of reptiles. But before this, uh, with their characteristic, yeah, with uh, explained before. That's for the first is the example is a lizard of the reptiles, lizard, yeah, lizard, and a snake and a turtle. They are as the some example of reptiles, and this about the amphibians. These amphibians, yeah, that's animal of amphibians, frog and salamander. Salamander. And we next to do this our exercise on a page 73. In 73, this our exercise, yeah. Using they say using the identification key on a page 71. Yeah, is before using the identification key on a page 71. Identify which group of vertebrates each animal belongs to. Oh, these A, B, and C. How about the next page? Yeah, it's only this, yeah. Only page 73. And then here, there's these three picture. The part A is crocodile, and the second is newt, and then this monkey. Yeah, we want to identification from three. For example, that's crocodile. Crocodile, crocodile. Actually is what's that group of vertebrates? Fish, reptiles, amphibians, birds, or mammals. Yeah, crocodile. We want to identify which group of vertebrates from this animal. Yeah, using that identification key before in a 71 this. Yeah, uh, and then this for the this crocodile. Yeah, crocodile hatching from egg. Crocodile is uh, what's what's it's a group vertebrate. This of the uh, reptiles, fish, amphibians, birds, or mammals. Yeah, we can look the characteristic from the in a picture of the crocodile is has the cover with hard and dry scales, yeah, and then reproduced by laying eggs with shell. So that's crocodile. We can enter it to the class of reptiles. This example, sorry, ya. So you can write it the answer here. Crocodile is the group of vertebrates. You can directly to write it this example. Reptiles. Yeah, if you have the another answer, maybe you say this is amphibian, please write it here. This only how to the answer this tiles. And for the part B, picture in the part B and a picture the part C, please looking for or identify which group of this animal. Okay, soleha. I think that's all about how to do this our exercise. Soleha, if you have a question, yeah, you can ask me. And for the last, I thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.